Morning, everybody. It's Harold from Living in the Hill Country. I have a lot of projects going on this morning before it gets too warm out. Also looks as if we might have some storms in the forecast, but not 100% sure on that because I don't watch the weather. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness right here in the Hill Country of Texas. So as you can see, I got the shade cloth in. It's a Agrifab sunblock shade panel. 70% blocks out 70% of the sun, and I thinking it's going to do just fine here in this area above the cucumbers, squash, and the beans. To help block out the midday Texas sun and heat that has been really causing these leaves to wilt. So we're going to be installing it, attaching it to the shed there, and then running across over to the fence and attaching it that way. It's 10 feet. We're going to run it 10 feet this direction, and then of course this come back towards me, and it's 20 feet long, so it's a little bit long. So we'll probably either drape it over and attach it to the other side of the fence, or we'll figure out how to attach it, roll it up and attach it to the inside of the fence, whatever would look better. So anyway, let's get to this. Up, so that worked out pretty good, and it seems to be doing its job. It's blocking out the 70% of the sunlight that it says it's supposed to. It's now protecting the squash, the cucumbers, the bush beans, and it's just on the edge of the corn. That's right where I wanted it, so that works out pretty good. The next batch of corn that I put in, or that I plant, will be a little bit closer to the fence. I'll get the tomatoes moved out just that side of the bush beans, so it can get some of the protection of the shade cloth. Not all of it, but some of it. So it blocks out 70% of the sun, but it will definitely let the rain still come in, so we like that. I have it anchored to the garage, over the fence, and to the shed, like you saw. I just need to run the village cord out to the fence, and then secure it there. So that's it. So thank you for watching this episode. I very much appreciate it. If you want more information about the shade cloth, where I got it, how much it costs, just leave some comments or questions below. I'll get back to you on that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for support. I'd very much appreciate that. And as always, God bless you. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend.